Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to do like the unbox of this new grafting kit that I found on Amazon. As you can see, the name of this kit is Funteck, and it has a lot of good reviews. 4.5 out of 5, over 1,200 reviews. And as you can see, I'm going to click on the picture so we can see exactly what the kit will include. And you see it has a little screwdriver, a knife, and the tool itself, and the parafilm. And this is here works for a scion and rootstocks, 1/4 inch to 12 millimeter in diameters. So like the size of the pencil that would work best. Anything bigger, probably not good enough. And they come with the different types of grafts. Here you can see the V graft, and then the U graft, and then the I don't know what you call that, the ohm graft or whatever graft that is. All right, and here's the knife, and here's the kit itself, the tool, and these are what will come in the content. All right, so as you can see, it's only $23. So, and I've been trying to get into grafting a little bit, but basically I've been using my own, just like whatever I have. Instead of using parafilm, I use zip ties and black tape, the electrical tape. You know, it did work, but I think that using the proper tools, it will help it better. All right, so I'm gonna do the unbox of it, and then we're gonna take it out, and we're actually gonna do a real grafting. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the box that it came from Amazon. So basically, we're just gonna do the unboxing, and this is the actual item that you will receive and that you will get from Amazon. All right, so it comes in a little, I would say container or a box or whatever, a storage. But yeah, it's come with the parafilm, 2 of them, pretty good. And these are the different types of graph module or adapter that you can insert, 3 of them, and actual little Phillips screwdriver, a little wrench. And this is the knife itself. Wow. It feels really good. And it's pretty heavy too. Pretty good. This is the tool itself. All right, so that's about it. And then stay tuned for the actual grafting part. All right, I forgot to show you guys how to actually replace these different types of shape of grafts, or maybe we can call it adapter. So basically what you do with this is you're gonna use the wrench right here and to loosen it. And then you flip over, and then you loosen this Phillips, the big one right here, like this. And then this thing will slide out. And then depending whichever graft you like, whichever adapter you like, whichever, like maybe you want this one, then you put this one in. And when you put it in, make sure it lines up. And when you put it back, you might have to adjust the lever a little bit to make sure the hole lines up and you can see the hole. And then you just screw it back on. All right, and then you flip it around and you just tighten this nut. And that's how you change the adapter of it, okay? All right, good morning, everyone. So the plan today is for me to graft these mangoes right here. I think I got this mango tree when I bought this house. That would be in 2008, approximately around there. That's the tree. It has a lot of fruit. It's Manila mango. So this year it did have quite a fruit, but it's not long. In some years it's like long, big, and some just very small and tiny. But I'm gonna get this one of the branch over here as a scion, and I'm gonna put it to the tree, to these mango tree right here, so we can see from here. And I'll put it on here. And so basically what I want to look for is I want to look for a branch that is kind of the same size as this one. Okay, and by me using this Funteck kit that I opened and did a little bit of review yesterday, unboxing, and then with the extra of this one, the branch here, I'm gonna put it on back to the other tree. And so I'm hoping and looking to see one tree with two different fruits on it. This one I grew it from seed as well too, and I really don't remember what type of mango it is. I'm the type of person that anytime when I eat something really good, really tasty, I want to grow that, and that's one of them. But I don't recall. We put it on the ground. We planted, I think, maybe last year, and it's already last year. It has like little flowers, but it didn't succeed. I think it failed. It died. So this year, hopefully, it'll get better, and we'll see. I have a few small avocado trees and also the mangoes here too, that as you can see from back here. This one right here has been in there for a while. I think it needs more pot mix in there. Same thing with this one too. It seemed like something is holding back the growth, because usually it should avocado, especially avocado, it should grow really fast and really strong and really healthy. So I think I need to add more fertilizers in there. So that's what we're gonna do.
Vứt lá đó để bớt ra ngoài cho em dọn được.
Không sao đâu, cái này đâu có, để nó lá nó khô thôi.
Đâu, lá phải dọn chứ. Để lá trong vườn. Không chừa cái mắt rồi hả? Không chừa mắt hả?
Không, để lên luôn. I just do like this, and I cut it into this one right here. Make sure right in the middle. Cut it. And then this one just goes straight in like that. Like that, just like that. Then we're gonna get the paraffin. gonna wrap it. So I used a parafilm and I wrapped it already. So right now I'm just gonna put this over it just to prevent any water to coming in, because I think we're gonna be getting some rains pretty soon. Right, so we're pretty much done with that one. And yeah, just gonna wait until I think I would say about maybe 25 to 45 days. And if everything is going well, we should see like some things, you know, like the buds kicking off here or somewhere over here. But if it's not, then it's not. I will keep you guys posted probably in the next video or something. All right, so I'm gonna try one more time over here. You can see clearly it's a lot of leaves. Let's get rid of some of this. Let's see right here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I tried this one, another one over here, and we're gonna do the same thing, and we'll see. We'll just do two. So hopefully, we're doing it with two. I'll see a better success rate, and hopefully both of them will be successful. But who knows? All right, so yeah, there you go. That's the second one I did, and using the Funteck grafting kit. We're just gonna now just wait and see if it's gonna, you know, take the graph. That's all we can do. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching. If you guys want the same Funteck kit, I'll list it in the description for you guys to make it easy. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.